You've probably already seen some videos on YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok about inspirational quotes, riddles, trivia questions, and anything similar.
Better days are coming. Be patient. No regrets in life, just lessons learned.
These videos are usually short but have a lot of views. These videos are pretty easy to make. Today, I will show you how to generate similar videos in bulk. This means that you can create many videos simultaneously with a click of a button. Whether you want to upload your videos to TikTok, Facebook Reels, or YouTube, the steps I am going to show you will be the same. This can be done by using ChatGPT and Canva. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, ChatGPT is a conversational artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is designed to engage in natural language conversations with users, providing information, answering questions, and engaging in discussions on various topics. In short, it is a robot that provides the information you are asking for. Now let's open ChatGPT. You can go to chat.openai.com and register if you haven't already. Or go to Google and type ChatGPT. If you registered, then you can start using ChatGPT. Let's say we want to create a video on trivia questions. All you gotta do is ask ChatGPT to list trivia questions and their answers. I am going to ask it to list 50 trivia questions and their answers. If it stops generating, just click on the Continue Generating button. You can even ask it to put the list in a table. This makes it easier for us to transfer it to Canva. Copy everything and paste it on a spreadsheet. You can use Google Spreadsheet because it's free. Make sure you save your file as a CSV file. Now let's go to Canva. If you never heard of Canva, Canva is a popular online graphic design and image editing platform. It provides users with a wide range of tools and templates that allow them to create professional-looking designs for various purposes, such as social media graphics, presentations, posters, flyers, and more. If you don't have a Canva account, go ahead and register. It is free. In order to generate many videos at once, we need to use Canva Pro account. Do not worry, you can still use Canva Pro account for free for a month. Let's create the first video so we can use the same style for the remaining videos. Choose a background. You can change the color also. Click on text. I am gonna use the heading style. Go back to your trivia questions and copy the first question. Paste it into the text. Adjust it so it is centered. Do the same for the answer. Since we put the question and answer on the center, they overlapped. In this case, click on Position. Make sure Layers is selected. Here, you can select the layer you want. As you can see, both question and answer come at the same time. We have to adjust it. You have to show timing so that you can decide which one comes first. Now that we fix the timing, one will appear before and after the other. You can also adjust the whole clip by dragging it longer or shorter. Now that we fixed the first video, let's import the remaining with the help of Canva Bulk Create. You can find Bulk Create by searching it on the search box under Elements tab. If you can't find it, sometimes it is located at the bottom left corner of Canva. There are two ways to add your data. 1. By entering the data manually or by uploading the CSV file we downloaded. Let's see how manual works. Just clear the table, then go back to your list and copy both questions and answers. Do not copy question and answer on row 1 because we already finish it. Start from 2 all the way down. Copy and paste it. Make sure you write question and answer on row 1 column 1 and 2. Then click Done. This is okay, but it takes time. Let's close it and go back to Upload CSV. Navigate to your CSV file. Now we have to connect the data. Click on the question, right-click or click the 3 dots and select Connect Data. Make sure you select the question. Do the same for the answer. Now you can click on Continue. Question 1 is already finished, so deselect it. Click Generate Pages. As you can see, all of our videos are generated based on our list. You can also edit each videos if you want. You can replace the video background and text color too. If you are happy with what you have, go to Share and download your videos. You can also select which videos to download. Then just click on Download. This is just an example on how to use ChatGPT and Canva to generate multiple videos at once. Canva will download the clips into one long video. You can use a video editor to separate each video if you want to upload each clip. You can then upload these videos to your media channels, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or whatever. If you want to put music and voiceover, you can also do it from Canva. I will upload another video on how to do that, so make sure you subscribe so that you can be notified when I upload it. Thank you for watching.